Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make solving everyday tech headaches simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into how to get rid of Microsoft SharePoint pop-up 2025. If you're one of the many users frustrated by those persistent SharePoint notifications popping up on your screen, you're in the right place. These pop-ups are often part of Microsoft's collaboration tools, but they can interrupt your workflow, especially in a fast-paced 2025 environment. Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps to banish them for good. First, let's understand why this happens. SharePoint is designed for sharing files and collaborating, but its notifications might be overzealous, appearing in Windows, browsers, or Office apps. The good news is, with a few quick adjustments, you can take control. Step 1. Open your Windows settings. Click on the Start menu, search for Settings, and launch it. Once there, navigate to System, and then Notifications and Actions. Here, you'll see a list of apps that can send notifications. Look for Microsoft SharePoint or related Office apps. Step 2. Toggle off the notifications for SharePoint. Simply switch the toggle to Off next to SharePoint, and that should stop the pop-ups from appearing. If you're using SharePoint through a web browser like Edge or Chrome, head to your browser's settings. Go to Privacy and Security, or Site Settings. Find SharePoint sites and block notifications there. For example, in Microsoft Edge, type edge://settings/content/notifications in the address bar, then remove or block SharePoint entries. Step 3. Don't forget to update your apps. In 2025, make sure your Microsoft Office or Windows is up to date, as newer versions might have refined notification controls. Go to Update and Security in Settings and check for any pending updates. If the pop-ups persist, try restarting your computer or clearing your browser cache for a fresh start. And there you have it. Your screen should now be pop-up free, letting you focus on what matters. Remember, tech evolves quickly, so if you run into issues, Microsoft's support site has the latest guides. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you next time.